In today's video, I'm going to teach you using custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. We'll start by opening ClickUp in your browser and heading to the list or space where you manage your work. If you're setting this up from scratch, create a new space. Give it a clear name that matches your team or project, and add a short description so everyone understands its purpose. Click Continue. Then create space to confirm. Before we jump into the calendar, add the custom date fields you want to plan around. In your list, create date type custom fields like start date, review date, or go live, so anything that better reflects your real milestones than the default due date. Clear names help your team immediately understand what each date means. Now add the calendar view. Click the plus button to create a new view and choose the option labeled Plan, Schedule, and Delegate. This opens the calendar. By default, it's probably showing due date, so switch the calendar's date source to the custom field you want to schedule against. You can change this at any time, which makes it easy to focus the calendar on different milestones. Create tasks directly on the day they belong to. For example, add a task for a key meeting or a review cycle. Give it a concise title, include any needed details, and save. If plans shift, just drag the task to a new day. The selected custom date updates automatically. You can also open the task and adjust the date there. Either way, remember to save so your calendar stays accurate. As your schedule fills up, use the highlight option to bring important items to the forefront and make busy weeks easier to scan. The calendar becomes your central hub. No more juggling multiple tools or scribbled notes. If you need to create additional tasks, repeat the same workflow. Add the task on the correct day. Confirm the right custom date field is in use, and save your changes. Don't forget to save changes as you go. If you move tasks across weeks or months, the calendar updates immediately. Open a task like meeting to confirm the date, notes, and attachments. Finally, try switching the calendar to a different custom date field to see your plan from another perspective, like moving from start dates to review dates. This small habit keeps everyone aligned on what matters right now versus what's coming next. That's it. With custom date fields driving your calendar view, you'll plan with real timelines, adjust quickly, and keep your team in sync.